Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Here on the ADA chart, we're currently grinding higher slowly, but really slowly. The market has held this micro support zone between 59 cents and 61.8 cents. Yeah, and one more high I think would still look best here on the chart, but it's trying not to do it. I mean, is it a marginally higher high that formed there? No, not yet. So, I mean, I think it could still give us one more high in this wave 5 of C. That's unchanged from previous updates. Still, my view that this is seen as a 3-wave move up can be classed as an ABC structure, absolutely. And we could now be working on the C wave to the upside. It would be a 5-wave move, that C wave, and is part of a larger A wave, which is part of an even larger D wave corrective, a rally in this triangle. A wave, B wave, C wave. Yeah, that is definitely one scenario I am watching here on this chart. In this scenario, yeah, indeed, we could be working on this corrective structure in a larger degree triangle. We discussed that over the last few days, not going to talk too much about that. Just really wanted to focus on the microstructure because it's interesting given that the market held micro support. Also, this pattern here has filled out nicely, pretty much as expected, this ABC structure. But I want to say that this is getting quite protracted now. I mean, ideally, wanted to see that one more high form, and then that's it. That could complete wave A. Then maybe next week or so, a B wave pullback. If a pullback occurs, we have to pay attention to this micro support region between 53.7 cents and 59.1 cents. It's the area between the 78.6 retracement and the 38.2 retracement. And from there, the next bounce could start. Okay, so like an A, B, C structure. And this B wave pullback, it could be unfolding shortly. Ideally, though, the price will form one more high to complete the C wave in 5 waves. With a target around 66 cents, maybe even 71 cents. At least these are the next upside Fibonacci levels. Now, what happens if we break below support? And by the way, if the market forms another high, we have to adjust this micro support area together with the price. Yeah, so it will have to move a little bit higher with the price, like a trailing stop basically. But yeah, we have to keep the door open for a B wave pullback. Now, please note that because it is a 3-wave move up that's unfolding there, after the market tested the structural support at 51 cents. Because it's a 3-wave move up, we have to be aware that it's subject to transformation. So it can morph easily, it can change easily. And therefore, the yellow scenario also is quite likely, which means this is just a corrective rally in a B wave. And if we then see a 5-wave decline and a break below support, talking about a break below 53.7 cents here, it could also take the price lower as per the yellow scenario in a C wave to the downside, for example, to below 40 cents. So that's why I think the next pullback will be key to keep this triangle pattern alive, which needs another D wave, which we might be working on at the moment, and then another E wave, which would represent a higher low. And please note there is some structural resistance as well in the area around 77.4 cents. But overall, not much more to say. Just want to give you a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.